Have your name here, and this is the sample I made for sharing a subscription from anybody, right? Anybody's name could be here, but this is my email ID, is a sponsor ID. So you click set up password, and you come here, right? Like I said, email. Email will be the one you have, right? So Bia that I made. The email would be the one that I send you the email for a sharing subscription. Got it? So this is the email I'm gonna put. So via 96 email. Sorry. Okay. It's weird. Oh no, not the email, not your email. Sorry, not this email, the other email, the one. It's weird, right? Do one more time. Okay. What was the email I had? Exact email. Okay, you see this? I put the email that you have would be on something or undo, and that was it. It start with the A for you, right? You submit it, then you go back to your email and you check here. It says reset password notification, right? You reset password. I'll put cartoon, okay? It's a sample one. I will delete it afterwards. Cartoon 1996. Cartoon 1990. Oh my god, I'm messing it up. Okay. Here we go. Now you can use the email version, or you can use, oh my god, oh, there we go. 1 second. You can use it from your email. If you have a Gmail that you gave me, you can just go to Gmail, and it does not work like that. Let me go back. Let me go from here because it'll be easier for you. So I'm gonna put the same email, the password I put, right? Cartoon 1996. I'm in. Now you will have to put your birthday. I'm putting random stuff. I don't care. It's not really my account. So I'm gonna put random stuff. August 27. Oops. Okay, whatever. I just saw your email. You said you got it, but I'm not sure. What does that mean? That will help you out. Anyways, I will continue the video. Maybe somebody else will need it in the future who I will share it with. Just keep getting any notifications. Oh my god. Okay, well, I understand that I'm not 18. Okay, fine. Fine. Happy? It says you accept to get a free shared. No, it's a free internet. You don't have to pay anything. Just accept it. Okay, you're in. Well, Allah, this is amazing. See this? Allah bless you always. Alhamdulillah. Goodbye. Have a great day. Good night.